Hello guys, it's your boy once again, MQ, coming to you live again. Today I just want to show you something cool. All right, same thing, straight in the order block strategy. All right, so a lot of people have been asking me, how do I trade? If what I'm doing is real, it looks like you don't really believe it. All right, but first off, please like and subscribe to my channel if you love the content. All right, so that you could just be the first among the lots to get a notification if I upload any other video. All right, these times I've been showing you a lot of stuff about my strategies, stuff people are paying for. All right, so yeah, join me in. But then if you're interested in the course, you want to learn these things, you know, trade exactly like the way I do, okay, one-on-one class with me, just send me a DM on my Telegram. It's just going for a cool $100, all right, currently, and gonna be sure to help you out. Okay, so straight into the chart, I just want to show you some cool stuff here, guys. I don't know why nobody is talking about this. Okay, now first of all, the reason why you really not growing your account is not necessarily because you don't know what you're doing. It's because you just don't have a trading plan. All right, you don't have a mentor. Everybody needs a mentor. All right, so first off, I'm just going to show you how you can grow your account exponentially. All right, even with a smaller account, even with a $50 account, you know, because you can easily flip it. Why? Because we know exactly where the market is going. All right, we know where the money is. So you can have a lot of talk here. So today I'll just be showing you some cool stuff about US30. I love US30 because we all know it's a mover. Alright, it's where to make crazy money if you're really serious about forex, you know, and gold. And trust me, guys, these strategies also works across a lot of different pairs. Alright, it works with gold, it works with all the other commodities, cryptocurrencies, stocks, everything. Alright, just everything, options, you know. So yeah, anyways, let me just okay, I just want to move to scalping. All right, so today I'll be scalping. Let me just choose any other day. Normally I think my birthday was last week, so let me just choose 25th. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be using today, you know, to show you some one or two stuff that people really aren't talking about. So yeah, we have the chart right here sitting right in front of us. Let's see how you're gonna. And now I told you guys, it's all about the order block strategy. You find order blocks, you find market structure, that's it. All right, that is all you need. Don't try to complicate things. All right, because I know there is a lot of it. There are people who are into indicators, there is this candlestick patterns and blah 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 and all this thing. You have to check the major support resistance. Yeah, they are all important. All right, but all you need really is just these two. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how you can do a quick scalp, and then when I'm done, I'm also going to show you how you can really scale your positions, all right, or your entries from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, because I always like to use a 1 minute time frame for my entries. You know why? Because that way I'm able to have tighter stop losses, all right, and have high risk reward ratio. So don't just move to the next video yet, just stay here, watch it, and then find relevance in this video. I'm gonna assure you, by the time you are through with this video, you're really gonna know that forex ain't really difficult like people say. Okay, so first off, like I said, we're talking about first market breaking market structure. And the next one is the order blocks. All right, breaking market structure, order blocks. All right, so this is a 5 minutes time frame. This is US30. I know US30 normally moves after 1:30. All right, because it has directly affects the New York currency. But I'm just going to pretend I'm going to be trading all day. All right, across different sessions. All right, whether Asian or London session or European session, we don't care. All right, so basically you just scroll to the chart looking for another block. This is another block, but it's not valid. All right, so if you're interested, just let me know. Okay, so all we're doing is looking for another block. This is a valid order block, but it's not breaking market structure, so it's invalid. All right, so let's see guys. So let's see, this looks like a valid order block here. Okay, and so I'm going to be using this. So you see this, very simple, guys. Market breaks through the order block, so this becomes a breaker. Then we set a buy limit order here, sorry, sell limit order here. The market comes back to retest, boom, what happens? It goes down. This is a very nice breaking market structure. All right, the market broke structure right here at the bottom, okay, with this particular candlestick. So we know what that means. So we have this here, we extend the line, and boom, what happens, guys? As soon as market goes back into the zone, it retests it and it just drops down. It makes some quick money. All right, remember, we just is scalping. We are just scalping. All right, so yeah, continue again throughout the day. So let's just see what happened. All right, so this seems like an order block, but it doesn't really break the structure high. All right, it's just right at the top, so we leave it alone. Okay, there's no need to rush it. All right, so let's just continue. Okay, moving in. Let's see. It looks like there's one here. Okay, there's one here. It kind of breaks this structure high, and then it breaks this other one too. Okay, so let me just show you what exactly I'm talking about. It breaks this high, and then it breaks this other high too. Even if it breaks by a simple centimeters, it qualifies. Okay, so I'm just going to use this. Yeah, then you set your buy limit order. Market comes, wait for market to come into the zone. It touches and boom, you make a 1:3, 1:2 risk reward ratio. Remember, this is a 5 minute. I could still move to the 1 minute time frame to still find entries. All right, these things are happening every day. I don't know why nobody is talking about this. All right, so let's see. Okay, so we have a breaking market structure here again. But we have to just wait for market to come into our zone, okay, with this particular order block. So I'm just gonna wait, okay, until it comes. If it doesn't come into the zone, we don't trade. It's simple as that. Okay, so yeah, I found another one here. It kind of breaks the structure low over here. All right, so this is valid for me. I'm gonna set my order block right here and wait. Market comes down, pushes into the zone, it hits, and boom, it drops and make some cool money. All right, now this is a valid order block, but it doesn't break any market structure, so it's just basic market structure. All right, no need to hurry, no to rush. Now this is a new low, market can finally form. So this new low, I see this nice W structure right here, 1 2 3 4. Let me show you. 1 2 3 4. All right, so I'm just gonna wait quietly for the market to break this high, and it does. So once it does, I know this is valid. So I just set my order block right here, set my buy limit. Market goes up, comes into the zone, touches, and boom, we make entries. All right, it's another one here, the market order block. This is it. So guys, see, it goes up, it breaks through this high, structural high. All right, comes back in, retest, boom, it goes up. This is happening every day, guys. This is just how you trade. It's so simple. There's no need to rush. Right, watch this, guys. Even if you're using trend lines, okay, I know people are always saying, okay, what's this, blah 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 blah, the TED touch and all that. So let's just see. I don't know, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So it breaks the structure low, it even breaks structure, so this becomes a valid order block for me. All right, so once you see this, simple, you set your buy limit order, sell limit order again, wait for market to come to it. Okay, and what happens, market comes down, it tries to test, it doesn't touch, it hits it, goes a little bit up, it doesn't hit our stop loss. Remember, our stop loss are always above somewhere here. It comes down, drops nicely, boom, we make profit. All right, this is happening every day, guys. It's happening every day. Now this also becomes another valid order block. Let's show you something that happens. I know people are like, okay, what if you always lose? Okay, fine. So let's see what happens. Now once this order block is when it didn't follow, it breaks the structure low and it goes up and it breaks it. I have my new breaker. Once there's a breaker, I set another buy limit. Market comes back to test, boom, it goes up. This is happening every day, guys. I just don't know why you're not seeing it. Let me just go back to maybe Euro USD something, because it's one of my favorite pairs. People are like, okay, let me use the 50 minutes time frame. Okay, so the day happens, and what we do, we just quietly wait for markets to open. All right, I like to normally trade during the London session. It doesn't mean that you cannot trade even before. If you trade even before, you still make profit. But at this time, I just want to show you how I can scale from the 50 minutes run straight down to the 1 minute time frame. All right, so that you will know. Okay, so this over here, let me just see, take my crosshair, market moves down 5 minutes, 6 or 7 o'clock. All right, so over here, right here, this candle, the London session begins. So I'm quietly waiting for a breaking market structure. The market moves up, so I know the market is generally going to move down at least before it reverses back into the upside during the New York session. Okay, so I'm waiting for a break in this structure low over here. All right, this structure low, let me show you guys the structure low. Okay, so yeah, market finally does, it breaks it with this nice other block that it creates. Okay, so I set my rectangular line and then I wait for markets to come back into the zone to test. So let's see what happens. What's the time? Time is 8:30. All right, so after 8:30 we just go to 25th. Just gonna go back, guys, it doesn't have to be difficult. So 8:30, I think, sorry, I think the date was 28th. Yeah, 28th. So 8:30, let's see, what happened. All right, so I think I'm already there. Okay guys, so it's just what it is, guys. You just need to get the right information. Okay, so I have my order block here. I'm waiting for market to come into the zone. All right, remember there's a 1 minute time frame, so you wait for market to come and touch anywhere within the zone. All right, and then you find entries using order block. So this looks like a valid order block, but because of this dodgy sign, I will just render it invalid. I'm just gonna wait again. Market breaks structure low, even call the new lower low here, but all right, there's no price action happening here. So I wait quietly. I'm not seeing what I want. Boom, this is what I'm looking for. All right, guys, I'll just show you what I'm talking about. So market breaks the structure low, all right, over there, right there, this nice other block. So let's see what happens. So this is another block that I'm interested in. So I get my rectangle, just get this right. Sorry guys, so just get my other block. Okay, so get my rectangle. Oh boy. Okay, so 28, sorry guys, sorry. 28, yeah. So this is it. This is what we are looking at. All right, so you get your rectangle, draw, start high, boom. Remember your stop loss is always resting somewhere above, all right, with the spread, so there's no way this is going to touch. So market comes back in, it touches, it pulls back down again, it goes up, and then it finally drops. So guys, look at this. Just look at this gain. Imagine how much you could have made. Let me just change this to greens. Yeah, this arrow line, I'm not interested in the arrow line, so I'm just gonna get rid of this. Okay, so nah. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna change this to greens because that's what you're interested in. Yeah, so just guys, look at this, guys. So this is where we're entering the market. All right, so the market drops all the way to the downside here, and then we have our stop loss right here. Okay, up on top right here. Look at this risk reward ratio, guys. This is just crazy money, you know. So let's just see. So we're risking somewhere 4 pips. All right, just 4 pips, guys, for 476. It's more than 1:10 risk reward ratio. More than 1:10. All right, if you trade like this, even if you lose 9 times in a stream, you're still going to be profitable at the end of the day. All right, so I just thought I should let you know, if you're interested in the content, if you're interested in more of this, just please like to my channel and then subscribe to it for more and more of these things. All right, you can comment below if you have any question you want to ask. All right, and then if you're interested in the course, it's just going for $100. Just send me a message. I send a direct message on Telegram or Facebook or YouTube or right here, and I'll be willing to help. All right, thank you guys, and I'm out.